Hey guys, Alicia here. This video is going to be a staple video on how to make a torn edge on paper and how to do that digitally. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel and you want to learn how to make money online, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Now, I'm making this video in preparation for my next video that I will hopefully get done before the end of the day today. And my next video is going to be about how to create washi tape and what they are used for digitally. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so I'm going to click right here on Create a Design. And I don't really need to make a template size. I can just work with this because we're going to take the background out of it anyway. So I am going to go here to New, I'm going to go to the Geometric Shapes and I am going to insert a square. And I'm making it a rectangle. Okay, so this is going to be a staple that you can use for my next video when making washi tape. Okay, so I needed a design element and I was lucky and I was able to find it for free on Pixabay. If you go to Pixabay and you look for torn paper or ripped paper, you will find quite a few. I found this one. It was already in a PNG format. It's free for commercial use, no attribution required. So you can find torn paper on Pixabay for free. So I'm going to go over here, and because I downloaded that, I'm going to take this PNG and I'm going to kind of move it around a little bit, just giving this that torn edge look. Okay, and I think I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to insert another one. And you can make as many of these as you would like, however you want to do this. Okay, so I'm kind of liking this. And I can even blow this up so you can see that it indeed has this torn paper look. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, because we don't need all this extra space over here, I'm going to export this to the designer. And we're going to crop the picture. This is a step that I have seen Etsy users not do. And they have like this tiny little flower and then there's all this extra space. So we're going to crop this down as much as possible. And we're going to click Save to our computer. And I'm going to close this photo. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over here to lunapic.com and I'm going to choose this file to upload, and we need to take out the background. So once you do this, And you can make several of these staple items, you know, in different ways and different shapes. So I'm just going to click here, and we're going to take out the background, and I'm going to click apply. Okay, so now we have this. So I'm going to go ahead and save this image. I'm going to save as a PNG. It's going to throw it down here into the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to pull it up, wait for it to load, and then I'm going to save it. And once you have this made, you can use it over and over again. It's not going to show because it's white on white, or yeah, actually, no, it's not. Pardon me for that. So I'm going to go ahead and save as. And I have now saved it. So I'm going to hop back over here to ipiggy.com, and in preparation for my next video, I'm going to go ahead and add that image. And there it is right there. So please stay tuned for my next video on how to create washi tape. Let me show you just kind of, you know, some examples, you know, wedding invitations, things like that. So if I go to my photo library here, let me find something that might have that look that we're looking for, like paper, digital paper, kind of like this right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and export this to the designer. So this is another reason that you might need torn paper. So I'm going to go ahead and add a photo, and it's going to be that transparent background. And anything hanging outside of the box, we don't need to worry about. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this image. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. And then I'm going to pull it back up and just show you that it does have that torn edge. Okay, so I'm going to click on create a design, even though we're really not creating a design. I'm just pulling this up so that you can see how it actually works and what it's going to look like. Actually, I think I am going to create a template. So I'm going to go ahead and click new, and I'm just going to do like an 8x10, and I'm going to click create. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload what we just created. Oh, I forgot to take out this bottom here. So as you can see, anything that's outside of the box is not going to save. This would be great for like a wedding invitation. You can use it for business cards. There's so many things where we need that ripped, torn paper effect. So to blow it up even more, just so you can see here that it does have the torn paper look. So I hope this video was helpful to you. This is definitely a staple video on how to get that torn paper effect. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, it is called Etsy Passive Income. Make sure to answer the 3 questions to join the group, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. Also, stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be having fun with making some washi tape. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.